Hello there. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, the place where creativity meets craftsmanship, and everyday materials are transformed into inspiring home decor. In today's video, from discarded to desirable, high-demand profitable wood and metal upcycling ideas, we are diving into the exciting world of upcycling, where forgotten scraps of wood and metal become stunning, functional pieces that people love to display in their homes. Every year, countless pieces of wood furniture, construction offcuts, and metal scraps are thrown away or left unused. Yet hidden within these discarded materials is incredible potential. With a bit of imagination, some simple tools, and creative design ideas, those scraps can be transformed into beautiful decor pieces that are not only stylish, but also highly valuable. Upcycling allows you to see possibilities where others see waste, turning something ordinary into something extraordinary. In this video, we'll explore inspiring ideas that show how reclaimed wood and scrap metal can be reimagined into decor items that are both trendy and profitable. From rustic wall shelves and industrial-style lighting to decorative wall art and unique furniture pieces, these projects highlight how combining wood and metal can create designs that perfectly match today's popular interior styles. The natural warmth of wood paired with the strength and character of metal creates a timeless look that works beautifully in modern, rustic, and industrial homes. One of the most exciting things about upcycling is that it doesn't require expensive materials. Many of the pieces you'll see in this video can be made using reclaimed boards, leftover construction wood, old furniture parts, metal rods, or even hardware that would normally be thrown away. By giving these materials a second life, you're not only saving money, but also helping reduce waste and supporting a more sustainable way of creating home decor. If you've ever wanted to start a creative hobby, learn woodworking, or even explore ways to make extra income with handmade crafts, this video is full of inspiration. Upcycled wood and metal decor is becoming increasingly popular in local markets, online shops, and handmade craft communities. People love items that feel unique, authentic, and environmentally friendly qualities that upcycled creations naturally provide. Throughout this video, you'll discover clever design ideas, practical inspiration, and creative approaches that show how simple scraps can be transformed into pieces that look professional and market-ready. Whether you're a beginner experimenting with DIY projects, or an experienced maker looking for fresh ideas, these concepts can help spark new possibilities for your own creative journey. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Kuki Decor, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest woodworking inspiration, upcycling projects, and home decor ideas. Your support helps our creative community grow and allows us to continue sharing more unique designs and practical DIY tips. Now, let's start exploring how discarded wood and metal can be transformed into beautiful, high-demand creations that turn simple scraps into something truly desirable. Every day, old furniture, leftover construction wood, rusted metal parts, and scrap materials are thrown away or left unused in garages and workshops. But creative makers see something different. They see shapes, textures, and possibilities waiting to be revealed. Upcycling is about giving these materials a second life by transforming them into something useful, beautiful, and meaningful. Instead of letting valuable resources go to waste, you can turn them into decor pieces that bring warmth, character, and uniqueness into any home. One of the most popular trends in modern home design is the combination of wood and metal. These two materials complement each other perfectly. Wood adds warmth, natural texture, and organic beauty, while metal provides strength, contrast, and an industrial touch. When combined thoughtfully, they create designs that feel both rustic and modern at the same time. This is why wood and metal decor is highly sought after in today's interior design market. Scrap metal pieces can be arranged into geometric patterns or abstract shapes and mounted on reclaimed wooden panels. With a bit of creativity, even small metal fragments can be turned into artistic designs that look sophisticated and modern. These types of decor items are especially popular in contemporary homes, offices, and creative spaces. Furniture projects are also a fantastic way to turn scrap materials into high-value creations. For example, a coffee table made from reclaimed wood with metal legs can easily become the centerpiece of a living room. The contrast between a natural wood tabletop and sleek metal supports creates a modern rustic look that many people love. Before we continue exploring more inspiring ideas, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to Kuki Decor if you enjoy creative woodworking, upcycling projects, and unique home decor inspiration. Your support helps our channel grow and allows us to keep sharing more ideas that spark creativity and sustainable design. Now let's talk about another creative direction for upcycling decorative furniture accents. Even small additions like metal handles on wooden cabinets or metal inlays on wooden tabletops can transform a basic design into something extraordinary. These subtle combinations add visual interest and create a professional, finished look. Another exciting project idea is floating console tables made from reclaimed wood with hidden metal supports. These pieces are perfect for entryways or hallways where space is limited. They provide a sleek, modern look while still showcasing the natural beauty of reclaimed wood. Because they appear to float on the wall, they add a minimalist touch that fits beautifully with modern interior styles. You can also experiment with functional decor pieces like coat racks, key holders, and wall-mounted organizers. A simple wooden board combined with metal hooks can become a stylish entryway organizer. These small items are extremely practical and easy to sell because every home needs convenient storage solutions. The beauty of upcycling is that it encourages creativity and resourcefulness. Instead of relying on expensive materials, you learn to see value in what others might discard. Old table legs can become plant stands, metal rods can turn into lamp frames, and wooden pallets can transform into shelves or benches. Once you start seeing these possibilities, every piece of scrap material becomes an opportunity for design. Beyond creativity and profit, upcycling also supports a more sustainable lifestyle. By reusing wood and metal, you reduce waste and lower the demand for new materials. This approach helps protect natural resources and promotes environmentally friendly craftsmanship. Many people today appreciate decor that is not only beautiful, but also responsibly made. As we've seen in today's video, transforming discarded wood and metal into desirable decor is both rewarding and inspiring. With imagination and simple tools, everyday scrap materials can become stunning furniture pieces, functional decor, and artistic designs that elevate any space. Thank you for spending time with Kuki Decor today. We hope these ideas inspire you to start your own creative upcycling projects and discover the hidden beauty within reclaimed materials. Remember, Great design doesn't always begin with expensive materials, it often begins with creativity, patience, and the willingness to see potential where others see waste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kuki Decor for more woodworking inspiration, DIY projects, and creative home decor ideas. Let us know in the comments which upcycling idea inspired you the most or what project you would love to try next. Until next time, keep creating, keep experimenting, and keep transforming the ordinary into something truly extraordinary.